Greater Palm Springs lends itself to creativity.
It's a magical place and it's really inspiring.
There's something about the desert that allows people to sit back and actually be present. They're here to bloom.
I'm the executive director of the California Desert Arts Council.
I am an artist.
I have a band. We go by the name of Giselle Wu and the Night Owls.
We run a color company called Super Bloom.
I am an artist, muralist. I'm basically doing what I love.
I'm a gold leaf and fibers artist.
When it comes to Greater Palm Springs, they know me as my DJ name, which is Tina Turntables.
I see arts defining our community really anywhere you look.
We're communicating through color, and every color in our world has a meaning.
So I love using muted tones, a lot of natural colors.
It's really easy to find, any of these colors out in the wild in Palm Springs.
Not only does it have beautiful landscapes, but the history is rich here.
Arts and culture really is the bread and butter of Greater Palm Springs.
Yeah.
We have so much culture and community here that is creative and is able to produce these gorgeous works.
As a muralist, you can really start to affect the mood, and I think that's just amazing. I want it to affect people.
I love the desert because it truly supports the arts.
The value Greater Palm Springs has for musicians and live music is crucial.
It's my passion to give people a show and know that the show that they see here is something that they can't get anywhere else.
On your first pass, you don't find what you're looking for. What there is here might be still lying beneath the surface. It's almost like going to a speakeasy. And I think that that's part of the magic of Greater Palm Springs, is that there's always more to be found.